All right, so as you can see, my pool is a mess. We were gone for about 7 days. This Beatbot is gonna get a real good test today. We're gonna see if we can clean this mess up, so let's do it. So look at that mess. Here she is. All I've gotta do is put her in the pool, really. And it should start right up. As you can see, it's lit. So all I've gotta do is pick it up and just put it in here, just like that. I don't have to do nothing to it. Just make sure that's closed. And then it just does its thing. So we should see water squirting out of it. Yeah, it just starts by itself. It does everything by itself. You really don't have to do anything with this thing. Just put it in the pool. And then it comes back to you like, like a dog when you call it. It's crazy. All right, so we'll come back in a couple hours and see how good it did in our pool. How's that sound? She goes diving down. Check her out. Bam, she gets on the floor and the Beatbot is ready to pop and clean. Check it out. Here is her first pass on some, oh no, she's turning. She's like, oh, that looks too challenging. We'll try these other ones first. Look at that. See how it's pulling it all in? Crazy, huh? Just going around in a circle. Circly-durkly. I don't know how it figures out what to do, but it does it. There it goes. All right, let's see what happens here. This should be interesting. That is a big bunch of leaves. Wow. Look, do you see that? It's sucking them in. Sucking them in. It's a lot of leaves. Look at it, it's going for another one. Wow. That is crazy. So many leaves. Look, it's just spinning around them, pulling them in. All right, so we'll just let it do its thing. We'll come back in a couple hours and hopefully every single one of these leaves will be gone. All right, it's been a couple hours and check it out. It's doing the walls now. You can see over here, it got most of those leaves, but there's still a couple on the floor and on the surface. It does do the surface, believe me. It will do the whole surface too. And it hasn't got to that yet. But this thing works tirelessly, cleaning up your pool. It's great. She's coming back to the wall. Maybe she's done. If you look, see how it's going, it's sparkling and it's orange, so it's telling me that she's all finished. As soon as I pull it out, it stops. Bam, done. It's finished. I think I could press this and turn it off. There we go. All right, but it's gonna make some noise for a while. And now we just gotta clean it up. Oh my God. That is a lot of leaves. Look at that. That is one heck of a bunch of leaves. Oh, look, there's more inside. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's go dump these. Let's get rid of these leaves. I usually throw them over here. But that's how much stuff was in the bottom of that. You know? Crazy, huh? And we'll probably have to, squirt that out. It is pretty messy. So we'll take it over to the hose area and we'll hose it. We'll hose her down. Get all that junk out of there. Look how much stuff is in there. That was a lot of leaves. So we did a pretty good clean job, I think, so far. So let's hose it off. All right, so we just got to get all that junk out of there. Get it wet. Got more in there. pretty good. I think we cleaned it up pretty good. What do you guys think?
Set her down there for a second, turn off the hose.
Check out my little hose catcher. We put it in a basket, made it ourselves. All right, so this is done. There's one little piece in there, I can pull it out. But now we can just set this right here for now. Let it dry out. And then let's go grab our robot over there. It's waiting for us. And then we just have to let this kind of dry out. Usually I kind of pour the water out of it a little bit, you know what I mean? Like turn it sideways and just let it kind of get most of it out. Yeah. And then I'm gonna check it for this stuff. Try to get all that out of there. See if there's any more. Oh, there, see, there's some in there still. But yeah, I think we're pretty good. All right, let's go and shut that for now. And we'll take her over and set her down. And let her just kind of, it's not super hot out here, so it can, you know, it'll dry out a little bit. And then we'll put it back on the charger. There we go. I might even just open this up. Just let that dry. We'll come back a little bit later. You could towel it off if you wanted to.